One thing, Tom, there's been such an explosion in the concierge or the membership models. Do you think it's come to a time when people need to choose between insurance and concierge care, or is there a middle ground here?
Well, the truth of the matter is that insurance, there is in fact the element of risk when it comes to health that we do want to pay to protect ourselves from.
Yep.
I mean, Lord knows that you can run up $10 million in medical bills these days if the wrong set of things happens to you, and so for that reason we do need our insurance. What I would say to people though is to be really thoughtful about essentially moving up the deductible on a health plan to drop the premiums and reinvest the premiums in private pay medicine that you're saving. Because you're mitigating risk, and frankly, you're gaining access to a level of healthcare, that you're investing in. And so I would certainly encourage people not to overinvest in premium health insurance while they are at the same time, investing heavily in mitigating their health risks. It seems to me that those should offset each other a bit.
Yeah, I think that makes a lot of sense to me. Having practiced an insurance only practice, and then when we started looking at that transition, and I realized, a lot of my colleagues had gone into concierge medicine, and they were strictly cash pay, like they opted out of Medicare, the whole thing, and that didn't make sense to me either, because then there was extra expense for my patients. There were things they were going to have to pay for that I wouldn't, because I'd opted out, that the insurance would cover. Right. And so that's why we opted for a hybrid model. And so we'll use the insurance when it applies and get that extra level for that patient. But we're not limited by just what the insurance is going to cover.
Totally agree. And for you, I mean, you also have the capacity to work with and deliver huge value to very high risk patients who really do need their insurance and need their doctor to be inside the payer system and participating with Medicare. And so I think you made the exact right decision with the way you have integrated insurance in the practice.